But these are what analogies look like. Analogies are about relationships, right? The relationships between two words. So for example, number one says cape is to continent. So you have to figure out what is the relationship between a cape and a continent. Now, again, this requires good vocabulary though. You have to know that cape has more than one meaning, because if the only meaning you know of a cape is like, you know, a superhero with their cape, this makes no sense. You're like, how does like a cape, like you wear a cape, have anything to do with a continent? But if you know alternate definitions of the word cape, this becomes easier. Okay. So I'm just going to kind of throw you guys to the wolves right here and have you just take your best shot at this. Okay. So I'm going to give you about 3 minutes and I want you to try to do number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I want you to chat me your answers. Okay. So you can just chat like, oh, A, 1A, 2B, 3C, or whatever your answers are. Okay. All right. Most of you have sent me your answers. So let's start going over this. Okay. Number 1, cape is to continent. Okay. I'll call on some people for this, and then I might take some volunteers for some other questions. So you are correct. Okay. A cape, think like Cape Cod, right? A cape is a certain, like a certain inverse of a continent, right? So the Gulf and the ocean is the exact same. You can think of it like I think of it very physically, right? That a cape and a continent is like a little enclave. Same thing with a Gulf to an ocean. It's like a little dip, a little enclave for the ocean, right? So that would be the most, the order, the relationship that makes the most sense. Number 2, vision is to lens. Now this one was a little harder. Many of us weren't sure, okay? You are correct. The way you want to think about this one is lens help your vision, right? They help you to see. Crutches would help you to move, which is what mobility means, okay? That's ultimately why E is right. A lot of us, by the way, picked A, but a doctor works in a hospital. A lens doesn't work in a vision. So A doesn't really work there, but that was a very popular answer.